Just by using UOB EVOL as your main spending card and optimizing your spending over there and using UOB One savings account, keeping your emergency funds over there, you could roughly get $80 to $100 every single month. So let me share with you a little more on the details and break it down for you. Let's go. I'm assuming you're a fresh graduate, and according to the recent GES survey, I'm just going to take $3,500 as your pay. After CPF, it's going to be $2,800. And for emergency funds, you really should be keeping 3 to 6 months of your income or your expenses every single month as emergency funds. Make sure your emergency funds is liquid. If you do not know how to allocate or what is an emergency funds, I have a video talking about it. I'll link it up above and down below. I have a free PDF guide that is made available as well, and I share more about the numbers, figures as well. I keep 6 months of my income as emergency funds. So 6 months times $2,800, and that will give you roughly a little bit over $16,000 as your emergency funds. So let's say you put your $16,000 in emergency funds into UOB One savings account. It will give you 3.85% so long as you credit your salary into the bank and also spend with the bank. Have a credit card that allows for spending $500 every single month with the bank, and one of them is UOB EVOL. UOB EVOL is a great card to have because it gives you effectively 6.67% cashback on the transactions that you put on this card. I'll share with you a little bit more about the UOB EVOL credit card a bit later. UOB One savings account, if you credit your salary and also spend with the bank, 3.85% on your first $30,000 kept with them. Imagine 3.85% times $16,000. How much could you be earning? 3.85% at times $16,000. In 1 year, you could be getting $616. Dividing it by 12 months, you are getting $51.30 every single month. And this is just by keeping your savings, emergency funds with the bank, which you must keep as liquid assets. So 3.85%, $16,000, $51 every single month that just comes in just like that. And if you were to use the UOB EVOL card as your main card for your main expenditures when you go out for work or on the weekends, all you need to do is maximize this card by spending on online category and also mobile contactless payment. So how to maximize this card, you might ask? Spend $250 on online transactions, $250 on mobile contactless payments, and $100 on either of it, and you will be spending $600 every single month minimally, and you will get 6.67% cashback, which gives you $40 in cashback. So I'll put the table over here and you can see a better illustration if I've lost you somewhere. Don't worry, this card is really easy to use. A lot of you have asked me about examples of online spending and also contactless payment for your UOB EVOL card. Online transactions can count for things like Taobao, Lazada, Shopee, groceries at RedMart, NTUC Online or Cold Storage brand, travel-related transactions, example, you're buying your air tickets, Agoda, Booking.com for hotels, that will also count for the 6.67% cashback for online payments. Online payments is basically what you process on your computer or your mobile application, so things like food delivery, GrabFood, Foodpanda, Deliveroo, those will count as well. ShopBack and FavePay will also count as an online transaction. Mobile PayWave transaction, what you need to do is to load the UOB EVOL card into your Apple Pay, Google Pay or Samsung Pay and use that to pay in stores. So when you pay for your bus and MRT rides, that will count. When you pay in stores, for example, you're dining out at a restaurant, when you pay using your mobile phone, that will count as well. Shopping at departmental stores or retail stores, that will count as well. UOB EVOL is great because they don't limit you to the category of transactions. Instead, they limit you to the mode of payment that you're using. Common exclusions will be things like insurance premium payment, that will not count for cashback. Utilities payments also do not count. And if you're pumping petrol at Shell or SPC, that will not count as well. So keep that in mind. Do not use the UOB EVOL card when you pump for petrol at Shell or SPC. I hope this list of examples helped. If you have any more, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and reply ASAP. And yeah, it's pretty simple to hit. All you need to do is just spend with UOB EVOL, keep your emergency funds in UOB One savings account, and every single month you could be getting $100 effectively. For this scenario, it is $90. For those of you who earn more and you're keeping more into the bank, you could earn a higher interest, and up to $100,000 kept with UOB One savings account, you're earning 5% interest on the $100,000. For myself personally, if you have been following along on my channel, I'm using OCBC 360 just because I can't hit the minimum spending of $500 on a credit card every single month. As much as possible, I try to decrease my expenses, but for those of you out there, as much as you try to decrease, you're still spending $600, then you should find a credit card that can actually give you the best rewards. I have videos on UOB EVOL for the full credit card guide. I'll link up above and down below. And if you want to look at other credit cards, I have video telling you how to choose the different credit cards in the different different tiers like $600, $800 minimum spending, and also no minimum spending. So make a reference to that. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below. If laying out all the numbers for you and you still are not convinced to use UOB One together with the UOB EVOL credit card, then I have a great sign up deal for you because Weeboo is running a sign up promotion. All you need to do is just create an account with them, top up any amount above 1 cent, and you could be getting $50 to $500 worth of Amazon, Tesla, Google, or Apple shares. It's a great sign up deal you don't want to miss because it's here for a limited time only. Someone signed up, top up 50 cents, and they got $60 worth of Apple shares. Don't miss this opportunity because previously they required you to do like $2,000 funding, options trading, mutual funds, etc. Right now it's just create an account, top up any amount above 1 cent, and you could earn $50 to $500. A great sign up deal like this is not to be missed. QR code over here or sign up link in the description box below. That's all I have for today's video. If this has helped you or you have any questions, as always, leave them down in the comment section below. If not, DM me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. For those of you who are interested, I have a video that's upcoming talking about the full suite of UOB One, the debit card, savings account, and also the credit card, a full guide. So if you have any questions pertaining to those, you can slide into my DMs and I'll cover in the next video as well. Stay tuned for that.